Hey.
Hey buddy. You okay?
Fine. What's up?
I came here to let you go.
Pardon me?
Came here to fire you, Jerry. It's real, Jerry. You should say something.
Oh
So
shit.
what else did you say you're gonna do?
Crowded restaurant. So there's no scene. You ungrateful.
You did this yourself. You said 3 times. You put it all on paper. Jesus Christ. What about me? Do you know what I went through knowing I was going to have to fire my mentor, carrying that around in my head for a week? Can you get past yourself for a second? Jesus.
You'll lose.
You wanted a small one.
Oh, I'm over it. And now I want all my clients. And yours too.
Whatever.